So much. No problem, ma'am. Thank you so much, Rimba ma'am and Sudeshna ma'am. It was a lovely session. And as Shailaja mentioned, the moment I saw Rimpa ma'am, I was like, okay, this is going to be fun and exciting experiences. And I
Hmm.
completely agree with it because all the experiences that we got today, we might have been doing it earlier in our work, but we were not very mindful about it. So next time, each parent or each teacher, does that activity with the hand or the heart gratitude or with the music, we'll be in connect with our emotions a little bit more. We'll be a little more empathetic towards our children having special needs, and also be able to, pour out our hearts for them. And one thing with related to music, when I was doing that activity, I remembered my childhood when I was uh, forced to do maths, and I used
Mm-hmm.
to hate math. And the only solace my sister and I, we used to listen to music and Backstreet Boys. That really just I got it back, and the colors. Um, Somehow I was a little stressed and anxious due to some situations happening before. There was a lot going on, but the colors actually, I could feel my emotions getting channelized in that way. And all the colors that I chose, even when I was blowing to make the whole hand, be full of colors, I felt that I'm getting rid of the anxiety. So that was really nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Sudeshna ma'am. Thank you, Rimba ma'am.